other advanced search features. So we can start with the exact phrase one. So we can look for Kimani versus Kimani. So we are looking for an exact phrase. So this will only show the documents that have the exact words Kimani versus Kimani. Also, we can do an or search, act, or legislation, since sometimes act is also referred to as legislation. And everywhere a document is regarded as an act, then it's picked up as legislation as well. The next advanced feature would be the wildcard. So more often than not, we have a word like legislature, legislation, legislative, and if we maybe search for legis with a wildcard, the expectation is to have all the documents with the words legis show up. So we have legislation, we have legislative, we have legislature, and so on and so forth. The next one would be the fuzzy search. So more often than not, we have English and British English, American English and British English. So like the word labor, where we have one with POU, just a minute. So one with POU, one without a U. So we have labor, labor, and labor with just an. The next one is a term boosting search. So we have the word property. We'd like to boost this term to maybe 3. This works well if you have more than one word, so that you're just boosting the word property. And now we can see that the documents with the word property boosted are the ones that show up in the result. The last one and the most interesting one would be the proximity search. So more often than not, our former President Daniel Moi was more often referred to as Daniel Arap Moi. And if you searched Daniel Moi, our search results returns only 74. But if we do a proximity search, then we find all the documents that have a name between Daniel and Moi. So we have Daniel Onyondi, and we have Daniel Arap Moi, and it just doesn't have to be one, it can also do 2. And now we have Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi. And our set result now returns more than 1,000 documents. So cool advanced searches. So once you're through with your research, you can always click on the logout button and you can go back to the site. Thank you. That's all for JibuDocs.